Good morning, everybody. Good morning, ladies, 1.6% of you, and gentlemen, the rest of you. So how are you guys doing this morning? It's currently not morning. I'm currently cheating. I've already finished the video, but I just thought I'd just make a video just for the heck of it. So let's talk about a couple things. The smartwatch is on the way. Awesome. The things that I have wanted are on the way. The hobby wing is on the way for testing. The F3 ESCs are being tested, but I won't say anything just yet until we get full results and I have enough data. And let's see, what else do we have? I still haven't prepared everything to go fly. I'm planning on going flying tomorrow. And I do have this little toy drone from Amazon if you've been watching. We're going to go ahead and test that one out and then start modifying it. So that's going to be pretty interesting, pretty cool. I have to practice looking at the camera, so I got to look at you guys. So yeah, we're going to do that. It's kind of weird. But yeah, so we'll have to do that thing over there. What else do we have? The ZMR 250, I still don't know what frame to build for it. And also, a lot of people remember that big camera drone. It's like a Hakcrc that was like 130 bucks on Bingo. They're not selling it anymore. I don't know where you could get it from, but it was a really nice kit. It comes with the ESCs, the motors. It's not the best of quality, but it's a pretty damn good start actually. So now what I'm trying to do is trying to find a Chinese GoPro like camera, not a session, because the gimbal that I got, the Tarot gimbal that I got, was actually meant for you know, the GoPro Heroes, not the GoPro Session, which is not the squared ones. I thought it was for the squared ones, but it's not. So either I 3D print something for my session, or I find a Chinese one and hopefully talk to Banggood. Maybe there's a new one that was just released and needs a review. I'll take it. Give me whatever. I just need something to put on that thing. So the idea with that one, what I'm planning on doing is setting up a Matek. Now, which Matek, I don't know, because Mateks have 6 motor outputs, and Matek are very reliable. In my opinion, Matek is one of the most reliable flight controls you could possibly purchase on the planet. That's from years of using them and seeing them and the quality, and then they build it in-house, and Matek is just an all-around beast. So yeah, if I ever decide to make a flight controller, I'd go with Matek. I'd possibly go with Airbot. They have some really good things, but I think, you know, Airbot produces so much, so that's why we get to see so many of their errors. But Matek is really quality controlled. I know they had that little dip when they had the ICM gyro on the Matek F405, but nobody was just ready for it, and now it's norm. You know, you get a sensitive gyro and you get some noisy ESCs, that shit will never fly. Nothing will fly with a sensitive gyro. They were a little bit too far ahead of their time. That's what I would like to say in that perspective. So that's something. Like I said, the smartwatch is on the way, if I mentioned it, so we can start on that project, which is going to be pretty cool. I also have a couple ideas. I'm looking for an RC car, and the other day, I don't know, just scrolling through YouTube, I saw this Italian video. It's basically like an Audi R8 that runs on nitrous. Holy shit, that thing was so fast. It was crazy fast. And I was like, oh, how much does it cost? And it was like 500 euros. It's like $700. I was like, oh, that's more expensive than my quad, so I'll pass. But maybe I'll write him an email like, hey, do you guys want a review? But I'm sure they're going to say no. What the hell am I going to do with it? Write it on my field over there? But I could put like FPV. But okay, so back to my point with RC cars. I want to put an FPV camera. But that's just so boring, you know? But not just an FPV camera. What I also want to do is set up a servo to make it turn right and left, because I want to look right, I want to look left, I want to look down. I want to figure out a way to make a quad which is flying, which should be that little Amazon cheap one over there, which is really nice because it has altitude hold, okay? Not like legit altitude hold, but it's decent enough. And what I want to do kind of is put that FPV camera and have it swivel down, like just to look straight down, so I can look for my quad. Like if a quad goes far away, because I still have one that's missing and I want to go look for it. It's the first motor testing quad. I want to go fly that. And I'm also there was even a great idea in one of the comments also that someone said that I'll just make sure I was recording audio, said to get a metal detector. I've seen someone bang it for like 50 bucks or so, so maybe I'll pick one of those up, find my GoPro, the missing GoPro. I still can't find that GoPro. I still haven't even went back and looked for it. I've only looked for it for like 2 days. Hopefully nobody found it. I really do hope so. I'm going to start putting my phone number on there. I know someone finds it, probably won't call, but if they had a good heart, they might call. Or I just say I give you like 50 bucks if you find it or something. Then I'm pretty sure he'll probably call. No, I'm constantly checking the Facebook posts. If anyone's trying to sell some of my things, then I'm gonna catch them. So, but I haven't yet. So yeah, I actually forgot. I haven't checked in a while, so maybe I'll check today. So that's one thing. What else do we have? I did the kit. I don't know which video will come out first, whether this one or that one. So we're gonna solder we did 2 methods basically. The video came out to be like 20 minutes long, but it's so satisfying to watch even for me. I just kept watching it. Right now it's exporting, I think. Yeah, it should be. I think it's exporting. What else do we have? So yeah, I used toothpicks, believe it or not. Solder paste. I kept calling it thermal paste for some reason. I have no idea why. It just kept getting stuck on thermal paste. I don't know why. So I used these 2. And what else did I use? Oh yeah, I used that thing there, which is this little brush. It's really nice, actually. Really nice. I use it to dip it into the flux, and it just works out great, actually. Really nice. And this thing, I don't want to put this shit on my hat, but it's really dirty. It's some old flux I found from Tesco. So I just dip that in there, and then I just go ahead and brush it. Even though this little brush right here, you can add the flux inside and it'll go down, but after a while it gets all crusty and nasty, so I just don't do that anymore. Just go like this and just dip it, and then I'm good to go. I still have to practice looking at the camera, looking at you guys. It's really weird. It's still new to me. I think this is like the 5th video with a face reveal, or 6th with the face reveal. So yeah, that's a couple things that I did, and you'll probably see very soon. These things, this was terrible. So it has a little hole right here, so I was like, oh, okay, you know. I bought this a long time ago just for this here. And I was going like this. Oh shit, now it's working. It wasn't working before. You know what happened before? I was doing that, the whole cap just blew up and everything just fell on the ground. I spent like half an hour picking that shit up. It was really annoying. Sometimes I wish I was just recording everything, because all these kinds of weird shit happens to me all the time. It's not that weird, but it really kind of pissed me off, to be honest. I was like, I only have like 3 hours to make the video, so get started. And then everything just falls, and you know, you can't find something. And I had to go buy some solder wick because I couldn't find it, so I went ahead. That's the real reason why I didn't start on it. It's because I couldn't find this piece of crap right here, and I had to just go buy some. They're really cheap. It was like $2 or something for 2 or something. It was actually less, possibly. I got 2 of them on my way to ship out the stuff. I had like 4 orders or something, so I went to go ship them out, and I said, you know what? I just drove down like a little bit lower with my skateboard, picked some of these up, and just headed back and start on the video. So yeah, I'll be showing you with this also how to fix it. It's really nice. I was really hoping that I get to bridge some things so we can go ahead and fix them. I don't know why this is so satisfying, but yeah, I've never done this before in my life, so why not do it on YouTube, right? So yeah. What else is there? Well, I think that's it. Usually I say that's it, but then I think of something else. I really don't want to end the video just yet because I had a couple things to say, but I kind of just spaced out for a second. So just give me a moment to remember. What do you guys want to see? That's something. Some of you said, oh, we don't want to see some of that new stuff because, not the new stuff, like the noob stuff, because there's a lot of them online. A lot. And there's a lot of information, but maybe, I don't know. I'm going to do that filters video once I get time to go to the field. That's going to be very important. Because I also want to practice a little bit more. I haven't done that in a while, so it gives me practice also. Not only does it make video useful for someone out there, and many of you said you want PID tuning for me because maybe you guys like the way I explain things, and that's really nice of you guys. Thank you. And I just try to make it as easy as possible. It doesn't have to be super complicated, you know. All my life I always thought everything was complicated, and when I started to go, what, that's it, really? That's it? Why the hell is it, you know, people use the biggest words, the biggest terms. I could do that too, but I'm not trying to be that person, you know. Say it's a freaking chip, you just stick it on, you're good to go. A voltage regulator, you just make sure you get that exact voltage that that chip needs, and that's it. Resistor does a lot of things. Heat up one of the things is it heats up and it burns another thing. It does a lot of other things too. And well, I got a couple extra things on the way, but I forgot what they were. Oh yeah, airbot. I still need to write airbot back to confirm, to try to get those Asgard F7s. So those are gonna be pretty cool. Basically, what if you guys don't know what an Asgard is? It's not an Asgard. It's called an Asgard, and what it is the all-in-one flight controller with ESCs and it was really nice. It was really beautiful. I had like 4 of them or 3 of them. I think I burned 2, but that was my mistake. I shorted it out. I don't know if one of them, I don't even know if they're both burned. I just saw smoke. I didn't even see smoke. I just saw a lot of sparks between the terminals. So I just, never plugged it back in, because I don't want to burn anything with it. I remember I plugged in the USB and it worked just fine. So that's one thing. Oh, I also do have a broken SPF3 flight controller. I don't know what's wrong with it. It was on my Xt60 Falcon when it first came out. I kept it for the longest time, and I kept seeing it, but every time you want to go get something, you cannot find it. You've been seeing it for like 3 years, and then, okay, now it's the day where I'm gonna actually use it. Where the hell is it? Where the hell is it? And that's what's happening to me these past couple days. I don't know, maybe the universe doesn't want me to make these videos just yet for some reason, and that's why it's just being scheduled and delayed. And I really want to get started on it. I'm still looking. I was looking for the DAL-RC this morning for an hour and a half this morning. I was looking for it. Someone stole it, maybe. There's nobody that comes in here, but obviously I don't know where the hell it went. So video just finished exporting, and I'm gonna upload that one, edit this one, or just the audio, put them together, and I'll see you in a couple hours, I think, if this one's gonna be I don't know which one's gonna be first. Anyways, I'll see you later. Peace out, guys.